Hello my friend, also Mr. Ali. My name is Kada Akalam Purnami and my NPM is 104. Today, here I will make a learning video and I will explain about one of the material that we'll learn, namely degree of comparison. Before I tell you about type of degree of comparison, I will explain about what is definition about degree of comparison. The definition about degree of comparison are adjective that change form and are used to compare one thing, people, or others. There are three types of degree of comparison. The first, positive degree. The second is comparative degree, and the last, superlative degree. First, I will explain about positive degree. The definition about positive degree is an adjective used to express level that is ordinary or simple. There are three patterns of these types and also three examples of each this pattern. The first pattern is S plus adjective plus S, and the example of this pattern is John is as strong as James, and the second pattern is not less plus adjective plus than, and the example of this pattern is this girl is not less clever than me, and the third pattern is not plus as plus adjective plus as, and the example of this pattern is this pen is not as black as that. There are three ways to use a positive degree as follows. As the first point is state an actual situation. The example of this point is Sophia is a diligent girl, and the second point is comparing two objects or people of the same level, such as a person, nature, shape, or other part. The example of this point is David is as tall as my brother, and the third point expresses two objects or people that do not have the same level or comparison. The example of this point is his ruler is not as black as yours. There are three examples of positive degree. The first example, you are beautiful girl. The second example, Tom is a tall boy. Third example, the brown cat is as beautiful as the green cat. And second, I will explain about comparative degree. The definition about comparative degree is an adjective used to describe an object or person having a level that is more than its comparator. These are two patterns of comparative degree. The first pattern is S plus to be plus adjective or adverb plus er plus than, and the example of this pattern is the horse can run faster than a dog, and the second pattern of this type is S plus to be plus more plus adjective or adverb plus than, and the example of this pattern is this red dress is more comfortable than the white. And there are three ways to use a comparative degree. The first point is the father emphasized the form of the comparative degree. The example of this point is his motorcycle is far better than yours. And the second point is express two objects or people that do not have the same level. The example of this point is her pen is not as black as yours. And the third point is the use of this comparative degree can be used in more and more situations. The example of this point is the harder you study English, the clever you will be. And also there are three examples of comparative degree. The first example is today is harder than yesterday. The second is Bill run faster than Bob. And the third is Andy worked harder than his brother. And the last type of this material is superlative degree. The definition of superlative degree is an adjective used to express the highest level of all its comparators. There are two patterns of this type. The first pattern is as plus to be plus adjective or adverb plus is. And the example of this pattern, first, the elephant is the largest of all land animals. And the example number 2 is the giraffe is the tallest of all animals. And the second pattern of its types is subject plus to be plus the most plus adjective or adverb. And the example of this pattern is Lisa is the most intelligent girl in the class. And there are two examples of superlative degree. The first example is Jennifer is the most beautiful girl in university. And the second example is you are the very politest boy in the village. That's about my video. Thank you for watching. Thank you.